Good morning to all our webinar participants coming to us this morning from the beautiful jewels that dot the Caribbean, and also to all other participants from the wider globe. Welcome. My name is Silburn Clarke, and I head up the company Spatial Innovision Limited, who is the Esri distributor for the Anglophone Caribbean, the English-speaking Caribbean. And we have a great series of webinars lined up for you guys who are beaming into us this morning. Our team of experts have put together a webinar series over the last 3-4 months that I think that you all will enjoy tremendously. The theme of the webinar series is called Raising the Consciousness of the Science of Where. Now, why? What is where? Why are we focused on where? 80 to 90% of the decisions that a company, a business, a government, a society in general has to make on strategies, on tactics, have a component, an element of it that carries the where. And so, if we understand the where element in our information, in our data, we will be able to be better able to make better decisions. And that's why in the webinar series, we're focused on the where element in organizations. So the webinar series is aimed at persons who are new to GIS, who want to understand a little bit more about how this technology, this platform can assist their day-to-day businesses, as well as for people who have already been invested in GIS and want to improve. So we're going to be looking at areas of productivity, efficiency, effectiveness, sharing, collaboration, and all that good stuff. Now, the science of where comes to us from ESRI, who have built out what we in the Caribbean have rebranded to be the world's Universal GIS, ArcGIS. And why do we use the word universal? It is because ArcGIS is in a class by itself when it comes on to enabling organizations to take advantage of this where element in their data. There is no other platform, no other ecosystem, no other infrastructure around the world that enable a government, a company, a school, an NGO, or any other organization to take advantage of the where element as Esri's product ArcGIS does. And this is allowing vast scalabilities that were previously unheard of. And so I can scale from my home environment through to my organization, through across enterprise and across countries and across the world. That's how universal ArcGIS is. And so our team is going to walk you through a 5-webinar series. And today, the team is going to be led by our Natalie Dobbs, who is our VP for Knowledge Services and who runs our Eastern Caribbean office when it comes to knowledge services. And she's also going to be joined by Nicola Simpson-Lake, who is our support and training manager from out of our Northern Caribbean office. And she's going to tell you some good things about how do we unpack and unlock the value that is latent in your organizations through the symphony of apps that exist in this universal GIS called ArcGIS. And then she's going to delve a little bit more into some technicalities having to do with one of those apps in particular called ArcGIS Pro. So guys, sit back, relax. It's going to be a fun ride, and certainly give us your feedback on how it has been for you to help us to improve the series as we go on. Thank you, and I now hand over to Natalie.